Here are the Angry Birds toys. Let's crush some piggies. Let's prepare our Angry Birds. Here's a release button that we can throw the birds. Here is the red Angry Bird. Red. Here is Matilda. We have 3 Angry Birds, and this one is from Angry Birds Go. Lastly, we have the fatty one here. Ready for the challenge? You come here. Here's the piggy. Matilda. This one goes back. Here's the bomber one. Oops. You see, this one here can change eyes. They are like 3 brothers or sisters. Interesting. They can change eyes. Here is the mighty eagle with a fat belly. Mighty eagle with a fat belly. Are all of our Angry Birds ready? Ready to fire. 1, 2, 3. Matilda. We crushed all the piggies. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.